Hello everyone, and welcome back to some more Satisfactory. This one isn't going to be streamed because streaming's not really being nice right now, so it's just going to be recorded. And of course, with my lovely boyfriend Dej. He got a new little icon thing with his little cowboy hat.
I don't know. I was trying to think of something snarky yet offhand to say, like something shit.
Okay, so...
More power that isn't biofuel is probably a big thing that we need.
Yeah, we're producing everything we need for the elevator.
We're just waiting on, concrete. I just filled up all the rest of them other than that.
Okay. We want to make motors. Do you want to build some motors?
Not really.
Okay.
It's a joke, I can.
You hate it.
Shut up. Alright, how do we make motors? Let's see. Let's go to an assembler. Rotors or motors?
Rotors. Sorry.
Rotors. Okay, so 5 iron bars and 25 nails. Our nail product, everything is too optimized. We don't have any extras.
Well, over here. How do I ping? That's a photo. Satisfactory, how do you ping?
Do we have more iron over there
Yes.
getting made? Okay.
Alt?
So I'm going to use this for rotors then, right?
There we go. Yeah. So it's producing 60 iron plates and 30 iron rods. So we only really need one machine making rotors. The main thing is you need rotors for coal generators.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. You're kidding me. I need rotors to make an assembler. Okay, let's get a
I can make an
constructor
assembler
up.
here. Just deconstruct this.
I don't need it right now. I need to make screws right now.
Did we get a alternate recipe or no?
I don't know if we have yet. I don't think we've gotten any of the alternate ones yet.
Okay, maybe I'll go and try and get one or two of those, because there's like an alternate screw recipe that's very good.
Yeah. Let's look it up so I can start planning around it. Satisfactory alternate screw.
It takes raw iron, not raw iron. I think it is. I think it takes raw iron and turns it directly into 50 screws.
There's an alternate that turns iron ingots directly into
Yeah, that one.
20.
20 screws.
What? Steel beams are an alternate one that can be made into 52 screws.
Yeah, that's not the one though.
I'm talking about there's a cast screw
I think it's
that
cast
allows you to
screw.
turn 5 iron ingots into 20 screws.
Okay, I thought it was more than 20 screws. But
Nope, it says 20. It's 50 per minute.
there you go, that's what I'm thinking, 50 per minute.
I'm gonna put my chainsaw away. Oh yeah, mouse wheel. Okay, how many bars are we producing per minute? Screw it. I'm not worrying about optimization over here.
Yeah, I wouldn't use cast screws, just use normal screws. I'm just saying...
Why not?
Well, I mean, you can, but I'm just saying, eventually we're gonna want to go over to that screw recipe.
Yeah.
Oh, here's 32 rotors at this crash site. Hell yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna crash out.
What? What did I do?
Not what you did. I need one more iron rod. Okay, I got it.
Damaged hard drive successfully acquired. All pioneers are contractually obliged to preserve and secure any recovered hard drives for analysis in the MAM, which may result in benefits to the Fix-It mission. Speculation as to why there are crashed freighters in your Fix-It designated zone is discouraged as specified in your contract.
Oh my god. You are not allowed to question why there's bad drop pods.
No, I need concrete.
Oh yeah.
I used all my concrete to put it into the sink.
That's concrete, baby.
After I get rotors going, I'm gonna get more concrete production.
Yeah, we definitely need it.
Cause, yeah, one thing from our last playthrough was just we didn't have enough extra resources lying around, so it was just a ton of hanging around the conveyor belts.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be something I work on, is having just like storage bins or something that let us not wait around these. Also, because we're producing like one limestone every like 5 seconds. That's really bad.
Yeah, we don't even...
I think we used a normal node as part of it.
If we use the it seems like the limestone can't even keep up. Is it normal or is it impure?
It might be impure.
I'm at it. It's impure, yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah,
So
I think we just needed something.
We should probably put a power cell in there.
Probably. I'll probably also find at least another limestone node to start getting from. Okay, we need constructor, I think.
How many screws do you even need? I don't know.
For rotors?
Yeah.
It's like
100. Oh, so the cast screws would be really good. Ugh.
Yeah, do we know where we can find that?
It's just a random option you can get from.
It's
hard
random?
drives.
No!
Yeah, you get a reroll chance, so we'll have like 4 chances to find it, but also if we wait though, it's gonna take like 8 more minutes or something. So like,
we could always. This is a really like rough production for rotors I'm making anyways. So we can just redo the we can redo how we're doing shit later.
yeah,
It'd be worth it, because Caskers is just a direct upgrade.
Yeah. And either way, like, I think screw machines make 60 default, so you can just underclock them.
Yeah. Oh my god, I need wire! Oh, I hate early game Satisfactory.
Yeah. We need
I don't hate it, but...
We need to get, the SAM ore ASAP.
That's something, last time I played, it was an unfinished thing. It was like a just... You couldn't use it for anything, so I don't know what it's used for.
It's very useful, actually. What it does is it gives you a thing called a dimensional depot,
Uh-huh.
which is It lets you have an input.
Oh, it's like a piggy, not piggy bank.
It kind of is.
Just accessible storage container from wherever, basically.
Yeah. So it's like a Bluetooth inventory.
Yeah. Can we get a Bluetooth hose?
Right? That'd be very useful. Look at all this sand.
Got all them chickens.
Look at all them chickens. How much smart plating do we have? We only need 100, right? We need a ton of crap for the space elevator, though. Ugh.
I mean, it's a space elevator. What did you expect? Why are all of the power poles taken? All of them!
Oh, probably because I wasn't expecting to expand that.
All of them are optimized, so there's nothing. There's nothing.
You, sir, get nothing. Are you sure this?
There might be something.
Yeah, this one,
but...
right here. Right here, that one's fine.
Okay, well, I couldn't find it, is the thing, because everything else was taken.
What a good time.
Sure.
Yeah, 2 screws into... Oh, it's 40 per minute? Oh, ew.
Did that? But I did it.
I think I'm going to try and expand limestone, if that's okay by you.
Okay, as long as it just gets... I was just making sure it gets done is the thing.
Yeah, because we need it pretty badly. Where is more limestone? Okay, normal node over here. Don't forget to bunny hop.
I know. That's like a basic game thing. Alright, rotors are in production.
Nice.
They're at a rate of 4 per minute, but we should...
I wonder if we just don't have enough
That might
generators.
be part of it, but also we are strapped for... We are on a clock when it comes to power at the moment.
Yeah, that's the problem. Is like it's so hard to expand.
Once we get these rotors up, you work on... If you work on energy, I'll get the limestone because it's more important that you design that correctly. I have fuel on me, so I can fill these up, I think.
Main problem with working on energy is like there's not much we can do right now.
What all do we need to get better?
I mean, we can make more burners, but like actually setting up automatic like feeding is a lot more hassle than it's worth, I think.
I was talking about we need to start working on like coal.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I guess I could go to the place that has the coal. Well, actually I can't, because I can't scan for coal yet.
What do we need to start getting coal production ready?
Rotors.
And I just got one thing of rotors up, so how many rotors will we need?
I think each takes like 20.
Once again, every power pole is full. There we go. Yep, we have one more burner. We're gonna want to limit how much extra we go out. I'm just gonna go around and start topping off each of these.
That sounds like a plan. Okay. 45 and 45 is 90, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
What is that for? The calculation?
Concrete.
Okay. So we should be getting more concrete then?
Yeah, I can merge our two like inputs of concrete, and it
Okay.
is a perfect output.
Nice. Okay, there we go. Rotors are probably going to start soon. So we need rotors for what to start on?
The coal generators.
Coal generators, and is that a milestone?
Yeah, we need to unlock the next stage of the space elevator, which we're already working on. It just has to do its thing, you know.
We just need the limestone for it.
Well, we need to build the space elevator, but we need to wait for parts to produce, which we're producing the parts. It's just we're actually close to finishing. I'm pretty sure. I think
That's
we only
good.
need 100. So.
Go to man to see analysis results.
Yep, that's maybe the cast screws are in there. We can hope.
We can hope. Oh, there we go. We're getting batches of concrete now. I'm gonna go insert these and see how close we are.
Can I just build a MAM here? Let's see. I can't.
Do we not have a ma'am? I thought we have a ma'am.
We have a MAM, but I was just
Hard
wondering if I
drive
could do it here.
analysis completed.
Oh, you're just far
Alternative
away.
recipe
Okay.
selection
So we have
available.
I'm also
copper
gonna make a
rotors or
ramp.
bolted iron plates. I'm gonna rescan it, okay, to try and get the screws.
Yeah.
Hey, cast screws, got them.
Fuck yeah. That's phenomenal.
Yeah, I'm very happy I went and got that.
It literally just skips an entire production step for screws. Which also means that we can have less energy.
Yeah,
needed on
it
our
saves
system.
energy and like saves time. It's so good.
I honestly, out of the ones I've seen, it's probably one of the best ones.
Yeah, there's another really good one where it's steel, right? Where it adds an extra.
Oh, there's like a cadmium, or not cadmium. What's it called? Caterium.
It's instead of raw iron and coal, it uses iron bars and coal. So it's another production step, but it gets you more steel per your iron, basically.
Yeah, and steel is just such a important thing. That...
Yeah. Because around this area, literally the only good steel node is like, I think it is a pure node, but still, like, you need so much iron to make steel. I think we're almost ready for the next phase. We just need the elevator, which in that case, probably try and save a bit of concrete.
like not for this next step.
Yeah, because the space elevator needs 5,000 concrete.
What? Like to get the, like.
To build it.
And do we need to finish it completely?
Yeah, we need 5,000 concrete.
To get coal production.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get some more limestone production up there.
Yeah, we also need 15,000 wire, so I'm gonna expand.
I'm a lot less worried about that.
Yeah.
We should probably get more copper production. Actually, no, you know what you should do?
Huh.
You should streamline the screws so we can afford to have more power working for
fair.
those things.
Milestone reached. You have been given access to the anti-waste effort for stress testing of materials on Exoplanet's bonus program, also known as AWESOME. Your awesome input allows
What do we
Fixit to
want from the
comprehend
awesome
our
thing? We
amazing
need the ladder.
universe more
I
clearly.
feel like the ladder is like
In
by far the best
appreciation of
thing in the
this,
awesome
we
thing.
have generously set up
I
an
need to
internal,
relook at what they
closed
have, 'cause there's some
economy
really
with
good
exclusive
things in it.
rewards and currency. Directing parts of varying quantity and complexity into the awesome resource sink will grant Fix-It coupons. These coupons can be redeemed in the Awesome Shop for highly desirable items such as new foundations, walls, factory attachments, cosmetics, parts, and more. Next time you have additional resources, just remember to go that extra kilometer. Go awesome.
Yeah, to get the tier 3 is where copper and stuff is at, I assume, or beyond it, maybe.
What do you mean?
In the tier 3 of the hub
Yeah.
terminal.
Yeah, I think tier 3, yeah. We need to complete this. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Whew, I'm happy, though. We only need 500 concrete.
Fuck, God, okay.
I think I accidentally was holding shift, and I was trying to build 10 space elevators.
Okay. That's so much better.
Yeah, sorry.
I was like, I do not remember that from when we first played.
Yeah. Okay, so we need 2 things of cast screws. And how... Oh, that takes literally no iron at all. That's nice. It takes 2... Like, 100 screws takes 1 thing of iron input. That's very good.
Yep, 100 per minute. Yeah. We have a very unfortunate placement in the world when it comes to limestone.
Yeah, limestone's pretty rough out here.
We have one node that we aren't gathering from, so I want to go see what quality it is. We'll eventually need Caterium, so I might also go over to the Caterium and see if there's limestone closer. Not all the way at the Caterium, just closer. Okay, there it is. What quality are you? Please be pure. Oh, thank God it's pure.
Oh, really?
Yep, there's it's near the lake. It's right by the lake. So it's a little farther, but it's near the other 2 nodes that we have. I'm gonna work on getting that in for us. For how much per minute does a pure node give? If it's not overclocked or anything? 120. How many do constructors make per minute? Or do they...
limestone?
Churn through. Yeah.
45.
45, so we'll need about...
3.
It'll be a little weird, but like 3 of them will
Yeah.
maximize it. Yeah, okay, these make 15 per minute, so that's 45. I need concrete. I need 1 miner. Yeah, okay, already our concrete issues are much better than they were. Like, 500 concrete is going to take us, like, only 3 to 5 minutes to make. You know, probably like 10, but still, you know what I mean. I might need more cable while I'm doing this, but we'll see. I'll get as far as I can in this. Raider re-entry. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, Raider. Oh yeah, we can make fabric too. I completely forgot about that. Oh yeah, boom. Rotors.
Nice.
We're technically
Wait,
wasting a tiny bit of iron, but I don't care enough. Being honest.
It's worth it.
Yeah. Right, like 12.5 times 2 is 25, right? Like, I'm not going crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we're I guess I can underclock this just a tiny bit, because we only need 25. That's only 115. I like that, even though like underclocking doesn't save much power, but it saves some amount of power, which is all I really care about. You know?
Mm-hmm. Okay, there we go. I'm out of iron plates. But I have it most of the way brought here.
Oh yeah, there's another iron node here. A lot of iron in this area.
Yeah. Did you only clean up the screws at the rotor production? Or did you clean them up at, like, the main production also?
Main production is a bit more tricky.
Optimized?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because the thing needs 120 screws, so it making 40 per machine it actually is good.
Yeah. Unless you had it going through a storage container and then it just pulled as many as it needed, so then we could also have more screws left over for when we need to have them on hand.
I mean, that's fair. It can't take any more iron, though. It has...
That wasn't me trying to be snarky, by the way. I was just saying.
Know.
Do you?
No, I'm so offended.
I need to get some ramps and ladders into here at some point.
Yeah.
I'm gonna work on that eventually.
This year's are also just so cursed. Like, the place so cursed.
Yeah. And, like, we'll eventually have an actual iron production place, but...
What no foundations does to an MFer.
Legit. MFer?
Yeah.
Midwest Ferd Fest?
Ayo?
What?
Are you trying to make a space elevator? Or... We need to make a space elevator, because I think we're ready for the next stage.
I'm, getting that, production of more concrete.
Yeah. I'm gonna look up what the elevator needs. I think it needs 100 smart plating. And if we have that.
Oh, okay.
Because if it, you know, if it only needs 100, I want to turn it off.
Yeah.
It needs 50 smart plating. We overproduced them by a ton. We do need it for phase 2 as well. I think we need 1,000 smart plating for phase 2. But as it stands, I'd rather stockpile like rotors and condensed plates. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or reinforced plates. There you go. I see you building stuff. It was kind of ominous for a second because it was red.
Well, that's what I'm known for, being ominous.
I thought you were gonna say being red, but
No, I'm orange. That's kind of funny. No, we don't have the 2-stage storage containers yet. No!
yeah, that takes iron. Or not iron, oh my god, steel.
Steel. Yeah. We might need 2 storage containers for, not limestone. What's it called? Or I'll just get some Mark IIs up. Mark IIs move more things faster, right?
Yeah. Mark 1, they move things twice as fast.
Yeah, that makes it better.
Ian always maxing out the power pole capacity.
Type shit.
Damn. Where's the other limestone?
Oh, fuck. What?
Where's the other limestone?
It's back there. I'm just getting the production ready for when I hook them up.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, so no, the other important recipe, like I said, is the alternate steel. So we can wait till we get steel. What am I doing? Cleaning out my inventory.
No, I need more reinforced iron plates.
Do I have any for you? I don't know.
That's just for the Mark IIs, though. I'm just gonna get the other things going. I'm gonna get the things routed over here. And get power going.
Where that concrete at?
Concrete, baby.
Concrete, baby. The moment we're waiting on basic resources instead of the actual, like, hard to craft thing.
It happens more often than you think.
Yeah.
Well, the whole reason why you run out of basic ingredients is because you're working on the more important stuff. I need to get more... How do we make cables again? Can I craft cables by myself?
Yeah, you can.
Okay,
Cables are
I'm
just
gonna do
taking
that.
wire. So
That's not how cables work in real life.
Well, cables have wire in them.
Yeah, but they have plastic on the outside.
Yeah, but
You
plastic's
can't just
like...
ignore. You can't
Oh.
just ignore that.
Well,
It's an insulator.
Plastic's like a
What are you
late phase
insulating
2.
them with? More wire?
I don't know.
That doesn't work.
Plastic's a late stage 2 resource. So they can't do that.
I'm a late stage 2 resource.
True. I don't know, maybe Fix-It has some kind of weird something. I wouldn't put it past them.
Yeah, some kind of weird something.
Yeah. Are we done all research in this stage? We can do jump pads, but...
Steal some reinforced iron plates. I got all the rotors. We're making jump pads.
I don't know. We have a lot of rotors in production, so like my mind is just like, why not? You know? Maybe I'm wrong in thinking that, but...
I mean, as long as we have the rotors extra for when we need them is a big thing. And we're not using rotors a ton at the moment.
We should have a lot of rotors because we're making 8 per minute, so we should be fine.
Oh, did you double it?
Well, we're not producing the I turned off the smart plate production, which takes rotors. So.
Oh. Okay.
Milestone reached. The
That's
Fix-It
that's
jump
why we
pad
needed
combines
a.
high technology and innovation for optimized factory traversal and an ideal travel experience. Clarification. Ideal travel experience not guaranteed, individual results may vary. Pioneers are responsible for all workplace accidents resulting from jump pad usage.
Go.
We're almost there.
Yeah, I'm just getting the last thing of the last concrete conveyor belt, and then it should start feeding in.
Yeah. These just mergers? Yeah, okay. Will this overcap our production? Yeah, this is gonna overcap our production, but that's okay.
What does that mean?
We can't transport all the concrete that we're gonna be making.
Even with Mark IIs?
No, Mark IIs are only 120. I'm already producing 90, so.
Oh. Well.
Oh wait, no. Concrete. It's only 15 per, so we're more than fine.
We have 2 constructors currently making them, right?
Rotors or?
Concrete.
Yes.
Okay, so then we'll have 5 now, but it won't be completely 15 because the number doesn't divide correctly.
Yeah. I'm gonna remake the output real quick on these, just because you can use one merger.
Okay, is that why power went out?
No. Power went out because either we're using too much or something's...
Will redoing everything I do again.
Well, it wasn't a big, like, change. It just
Yeah,
used...
and before it wasn't a big deal.
Well, it uses 2 less mergers.
Oh my goodness.
I know, we need those resources, don't you know?
Yeah, the frickin' 2 plates and 2 bars. You saved us 4 plates and 4 bars.
Exactly. You're welcome. That re-entering.
Okay, yeah, these are dead. I've got fuel going into them.
Yeah, I got some fuel too, so I'm refilling.
I'm only putting 100 in each of them.
That's fair. Okay, these old fuel I had, so.
Okay. Need... I've got 100. Yeah.
We're gonna need more biofuel.
Yeah. Oh, part of it's because the leaf production stopped. Oh. So now we need to swap it to wood.
Yeah.
There's leaves in the thing.
Yeah, that's okay. Well, not if you're gonna go gather more, I guess. It's not. I made a thing. It's not very... The jump pads are so bad.
Did you put more in these?
Yeah, but
Just now?
yeah.
Okay.
At least the 2 small generators.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the conveyor belt now. And then we'll have more, what's it called? Concrete.
Yeah, that's concrete, baby. We're gonna be needing a lot of it because now it's onto the stage of making a bunch of foundations.
Yeah, well now it's only gonna take like 6 or 7 minutes to make 500. Obviously we'd like more, but this is literally all of the concrete that we can have at the moment.
Yeah.
We need to like start outsourcing if we want more.
You can transmute resources. That's later in the game, but
It's all working. What are you doing?
Look.
So you're messing with stuff.
you're gonna have to mark 2 of the belts eventually.
Which belts? This one?
The one, yeah, because this is pure node.
Yeah, we have nowhere near enough reinforced plates though.
Yeah, we might have. We should have a few, probably not enough.
I
though.
took like 50 of them earlier.
Oh, okay, from way over there.
Yeah.
Way over there.
Yeah. Either way, this helps with this production.
Yeah. Well, we're just waiting on wires. I have all the concrete I need.
Nice. One step closer to coal. I am overriding and saying coal is top priority right now because I'm tired of biomass.
100% coal is top priority.
What's the... We're making the space elevator,
Oh, we
right?
need... Ooh, okay. We need... Can we actually produce those yet? Yeah, we need copper plate. Not plate. Copper...
Bars.
Is it plate? Oh shit, what is the name? The thing that makes pipes.
Oh,
Copper sheet.
Yeah, sheets. We need those for later on, right? Not
We need
for the
those to make
space
the
elevator.
water.
Yeah, I was to say we don't need those immediately, but we will need them.
We do. It's the particle power, but...
Well, yeah, but we still need to make the space elevator and stuff first, though, right?
Yeah. We have...
We'll need more copper, if that's the case.
Yeah, we can
right?
split off this node. This node has 60 per minute, so we can put a splitter.
How much are we consuming?
Only
30 per
30.
minute, so... Yeah. We still might want a little more copper for, you know, the sake of this stuff.
Yeah. Of course, there's no power poles.
Just how the pussy crumbles.
That's hella waha. What even is the ratio on copper sheets? Oh, 20, okay. Yeah, so just put an assembler after that thing and boom. And I guess the storage container.
Me no wanna.
I mean, I could do it, but...
You fiend. I don't know where the rotors are at. Yeah, I do. What? Hello? I don't know why I said that.
You thought you didn't want to do it so badly, your brain just deleted vital information.
Well, because I don't even know why I said that, because I was on my way to the rotors while I said that.
I don't know where the rotors are, is heading towards the rotors.
No, legit. Like, I don't know why I said that.
Why do we even want the space elevator? We're probably gonna deconstruct it as soon as we, like, complete the stage.
Yeah. And leave it for later. Probably just out in the desert near the iron production, but not super close.
Ah, so much concrete. So nice. Had a really cool generator like diagram for design, but I lost it, I think.
Copper sheets are not available to us right now, but whenever we need them,
they only take one. They only take the main constructors.
What?
They're main constructors. They only need.
You told me assembler.
I didn't tell you an assembler. Well, I might have said do it in an assembler, but I meant constructor because I don't know the difference of the name.
That doesn't change the fact that you told me assembler and then yelled at me.
That's why I was confused why you needed rotors. I'm like, what are you getting rotors for? I didn't even think that
you
were
said
getting...
assembler.
I didn't think you were getting them for the assembler. I'm just like, what? Why do you need a rotor? I'll connect power.
No!
There's finally an open pole. Don't get mad about that.
Don't lecture me about open poles.
Hey, yo.
Alright, iron, steel, not steel, copper sheets are under production now.
Nice.
For whenever we need them. Why don't we have the elevator yet?
Why don't we have what?
Why don't we have the elevator yet?
Because we still need wire. I need 50 more wire.
I have fucking 600 on me, what do you mean?
Oh, I need... Yum. I just stole all... No, I didn't steal all of it. Okay.
Yeah, I just gave you less than one stack.
Where do they even, like, expect you to put this so it's not floating somewhere in the air?
On a platform. Okay, 50 smart plating.
Yep, I got it. Now we
Okay,
watch...
it collapsed onto the ground. It's not floating.
Yeah, now we get to watch this thing because it's a really cool cutscene. I love the space elevator. It's so cool.
Nice.
Project assembly initialized. Congratulations, Pioneer. The space elevator will now automatically connect with the Project Assembly orbital platform. Project assembly is divided into phases, each of which require the delivery of project parts, such as smart plating, via the space elevator. Subsequent phases unlock access to new tiers with more advanced technologies to construct, automate, explore, and exploit. It is time to be honest. This project is part of the Save the Day program, the largest united undertaking in human history, destined to save us all. Earth is in peril and only Fix-It pioneers offer hope for survival. Fix-It is counting on you. Humanity is counting on you. Do not let Fix-It down.
You ready?
I feel like she's lying.
I feel like she's lying too.
I feel like that's definitely a political ploy of like excuses to go to other planets.
Yeah, they'd be like, don't worry about what happened to it.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 1 project part shipment is now ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 1 will be completed and the distribution platform will be constructed. After completion of Phase 1, the technologies of Tiers 3 and 4 will become available in the hub. Highlights are automated power, steel production, personnel transportation, and many more. Completing Phase 2 of Project Assembly is your next main objective. New project parts will need to be produced and delivered to the space elevator as you have done previously. Continue to construct, automate, explore and exploit for a better fix-it future.
Here we go.
Oh no. Jimmy is open for commissions again.
Oh.
Oh.
Look up in the sky.
No.
Phase 1 of Project Assembly completed. This is only the beginning of Project Assembly, the first step towards saving the day. You have performed adequately so far. Reminder, not only is Fix-It saving humanity, it is saving all of Earth, including kittens and puppies. It is statistically likely that you appreciate the continued existence of kittens and/or puppies. Continue the work for their sake. Continue the work for Fix-It. It is time to start the work on Phase 2 of Project Assembly.
Okay, goodbye, space elevator.
Why would you do that?
Because we don't got no room. Okay, coal power. Oh, we really should start producing cables. We need to just expand. We need to expand a lot of stuff, but.
Yeah. Or not. We do need more copper, though, for sure. I'll go scout these two out. See what purity they are. Because there's one 500 meters away, kind of near that one oasis, near the... Not like the oasis, like the waterfall.
Oh, okay.
That I'm pretty sure that one is going to be pure.
You can press M for the map. There's 2 normal nodes.
Oh, it shows up on what there. Oh.
Yeah, as long as you're scanning it.
Yeah. At least one of these nodes is probably worth getting into. Probably do the one over here right next to limestone production. If that's alright.
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna start making a like legitimate copper processing plant.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start outsourcing to nodes. Never mind.
I made a Hawk Tua joke, that's why it killed itself.
Oh, where are you making the copper production plant? Okay.
I was trying to make it like in the middle of like all the nodes, basically.
I will not have enough iron plates.
Oh. So we have. I'm just gonna make it to use all 3 of the normal nodes we have.
Okay. I have one of the nodes coming up too. We'll redirect that one over there. Oh yeah, Koi is drawing pictures of him with his friends and stuff like that. So I need to find a reference image with 2 people because he says I'm on the list.
That's
the
nice.
hit list. Go. Already forgot what I needed. I need iron plates.
There should be a bunch near the rotors.
Up.
I'm gonna put down an awesome sink.
I think my sink's pretty awesome.
I really want ladders.
Yeah. My only problem with the copper plant is it is absolutely going to take down our power.
Yeah, we probably can't turn it on yet, like fully, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, put it in the middle one if you could.
Yep.
That's a copper node right there, right? Yeah, so that's the other copper node that I was thinking.
Yeah. I do not have another portable miner.
Yeah, we don't need to do it right
that
now.
one later. Yeah,
No.
because we can't even turn this on. We just need the cable, right? For coal power to be unlocked. I have 500 wire on me still, so I'm gonna craft that all onto cable to help us along.
Okay. Yeah, I definitely. I'm gonna change this up so we're producing cables, okay?
Okay.
Base is so like. It's so like disgusting. Just because there's no foundation.
Yep, there we go. We're just over halfway with the cable. Did the power go out?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Did you hook something up? Or
No, I think it just ran out. I should have probably said something.
Oh, I think it went out all the way back when I tried connecting the miner, and it just didn't. We didn't turn it back on. You know what we haven't played in a hot minute?
Huh.
Phasmophobia.
That's true.
Actually, let me look at Steam real quick while I wait for Copper. Last time I played it was July 27th, 2024.
Jeez.
Oh, there's a new map that got released back in October. It's a diner. Like an old 50s one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Oh, there's been... Okay, it looks like there's been some big updates since we played it. Oh god, yeah, there's a... We gotta play Phasmophobia again, it looks like. What if we achievement hunted in Phas? What if we went for platinum?
Isn't that kind of hard though?
Probably. I'm in the mood to platinum another game. The last one that platinumed was Ware Cleaner, which was very fun, but I just haven't done anything since it.
Yeah.
I was gonna do Silk Song, and then that 100% on Steel Soul mode, it kind of killed my motivation.
Yeah, that's very fair. Factory is looking ugly.
Wow.
I mean in the one I'm building.
What the fuck?
It's like super high up in the air.
Oh, you didn't hook up power to the cable producer.
Oh.
Let me do that real quick, and then we'll have cable. We haven't been producing either cables or wires because they're jammed.
Oh god. I like this location for this factory, but I don't like how it's turning out.
I really need to get some ramps going so I don't have to go all the way around to the copper place. Now what I really need is once you start working on the overall big factory, I'll get some hypertubes going. That's the plan. Ah, I just got cable!
Oh.
Okay, there we go. Cable's now producing. We'll leave that for a little bit. Do you remember the game that I bought for you and Moisty called For the King?
Yes.
We've also got to play that again.
Yeah.
I did a solo playthrough last night, and it was very fun. There's some DLC for it, and I think only the host needs to have the DLC, so I'll look into that.
That's always good. Yeah, I'm just gonna start handcrafting cable. Because I have a lot of wire.
Oh, nice. How much wire do you have?
Like 1,000 something. I have.
Oh my god.
I have a bunch of it from the elevator.
So yeah, we're done with the quest then, basically.
And that means it's time for coal power.
Hell yeah. Means you gotta go to the ocean.
Just me?
I'll go if you need me, or like rendezvous supplies or get power strung out there. Like, we don't really need 2 people working on the coal stuff. Like like in the water stuff.
Yeah.
I feel like we'd get in the way of each other.
The thing we really need is, we need to put some stuff in the awesome sink.
Yeah, I can start working on that.
Milestone reached. Power production can now be fully automated by burning coal, which has been added to the resource scanner. Water is also necessary to run the coal-powered generator and will require a network of pipelines to be transported from a water source. To assist with locating and identifying water, Fixit has compiled this guide. Water is a somewhat reflective liquid and it may have thick vegetation growing nearby. To test if something is water,
Honestly,
try touching it.
we're
If
really
it is
getting to
not
the point where we
solid and
need
does
more
not corrode your
biofuel.
suit,
Anyways,
it is probably
so I'm just
water.
gonna go do that.
Yeah, I need to take some biofuel with me.
I don't think we currently have any other than what I have for fuel on the
Okay.
chainsaw.
So I'll definitely need some, because I need to jumpstart the coal power plant, but...
Yeah.
And
And that shouldn't take that many, right?
No, it should take like 50 at most, and that's like generous.
Yeah.
Let me... I just need to make sure I have everything I need. I need to get rotors. And a bunch of reinforced plates.
Do we have the ability to turn mycelia into biofuel yet?
I don't think so.
We have a shit ton of mycelia from the stuff that I'm getting.
I'm really sad. the bottleneck. I was so prepared that we would need rotors that the bottleneck is the reinforced iron plates.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna start getting some coal power, even if I can't set all of the coal power up.
Some is better than none.
Yeah, exactly.
Even just like 4 generators would be phenomenal.
Okay. I see you chopping down the trees.
Go. That should be a decent amount to help us get back up and rolling.
This lake right here is very pretty.
No.
I've thought of a problem. I don't have ladders. You want to unlock ladders real quick in the awesome sink?
Yeah, sure. Oh, we can make biomass from mycelia.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, that's fucking huge. You whore.
Getting assaulted. Ah.
None of you are out. Did you hook something up?
No.
What? Something got hooked up.
Ow, 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 ow.
Looks like we're making another biomass burner. Or we would if I had wire.
Was it the awesome sink?
Did you just hook that up?
No, I was just wondering if you did. And...
I did not.
Okay. Oh. Okay, good. I'm in danger. I'm in a lot of danger.
Good danger or bad danger?
Bad.
Samples of unknown alien species acquired. It is unclear where on the flora or fauna spectrum it lies, but initial data suggests this might be a nest or an egg. Research the remains in the MAM to establish classification and potential countermeasures.
100% gonna die over here.
Do you need help? Is it the bees?
No, now I took care of 3 bee nests, and now there's still like a high-end spitter.
Oh.
I desperately need a ladder.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Where is the awesome sink? I didn't make one. Production, special, awesome shop. Oh, that's so many screws.
Oh, I forgot about that.
200 screws.
Well, screw that. Oh my god, I killed it. Oh,
Nice. Proud of you.
that should not have worked, but...
Almost have enough screws. There we go. Okay, let me go back to the hub. I honestly might move the hub eventually once we get coal power up and going. We don't need to worry about the biomass.
Yeah.
Just so we don't have to climb up to it every time. Or at least get on some foundations. And then some ramps or ladders up to it. Okay, awesome shop is set up. How do we get tickets again?
Put stuff...
Awesome sink.
Yeah. You put stuff in a container and just hook it up to an awesome sink.
Yep.
You want to sink high value stuff, so like sink rotors, since I have a bunch on me.
Yeah, I'll do the rotors first, but I also just kind of want to sink anything that, like, we don't need, like, that we just have around that I want to get rid of.
Yeah, that's what the awesome thing's for. So.
I'll do the rotors first, so we get a tick soon, though. I'll go get the rotors. Let me see what I can put in here. Ah!
We're almost there.
Okay, no, more stuff is getting hooked up onto the grid. You are hooking up stuff, because, like, our power went out beforehand for no reason, and now it just went out again. And all I did was hook up an awesome sink.
I'm over by the coal power, so I don't know how it's doing that.
Like, an awesome sink is not an entire generator's worth of power.
What is happening? Why does it keep doing that?
We're taking up more and more power, and I don't know why. I'm going insane. I literally put up a whole new biomass burner when it was shutting down beforehand, when none of us had hooked anything new up. And then I hooked up an awesome sink.
Interesting.
And then it went out again.
Most pioneers already had coal power set up by this point because they understood their responsibility to humanity. Adjusting pioneer attitude metrics. Reminder: coal-powered generators require coal.
Jesus. I do like how sassy the robot is, but my god.
I didn't get any voice lines just now.
Oh, it's talking about... It was saying most pioneers already have coal power by this point, and it's like reevaluating something. Reminder: coal generators require coal.
Okay, I have 3 coupons.
Nice, that should be enough.
Let's get ladders first. Okay, factory ladder costs 3.
taking me way longer than it should because I'm being like stupid with it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
As you oft are. Alright, I'm putting 179 rotors into the sink. Unless you'd rather me use that on basic steel production.
No, I have plenty. I have 150 on me still, so.
Yeah, rotors give a shit ton of points.
Yeah, the later in like a production cycle it is, the more points it gives. So.
Yeah.
Glad we have cable set up because I'm running out of cable.
I'm not.
Wow.
I've got to, dim down the vibes.
Gotta be a downer.
Yeah, the conveyor, like, floor holes, wall holes, and then ceiling and wall mounts are available here, so I'm getting those. And also, I cannot afford the wall power outlets yet, but I will get those next. And then we also have pipe wall.
Okay, sorry about that little blip. I ran out of disk space, so.
Fix-it pipelines can contain any fluid, including the water necessary for coal-powered generators. Note: water does not flow upwards by itself. While water extractors provide some lift, to truly defy gravity, consider the use of pipeline pumps.
It just said to defy gravity. Is that a Wicked reference? Oh wow!
That may indeed be water. Try submerging your arm. If it does not dissolve, that will narrow down the range of possibilities. Or you could just pipe it to a coal-powered generator and see what happens.
Now I like how much Fix-It cares about my safety. Literally, it just went, yeah, that might be water. Dip your hand into it and see if it burns. And then it said, otherwise just hook it up to a coal power plant and see what happens.
Oh shit, I forgot that you could just buy like a supply run of materials with the tickets.
Oh yeah.
But it's such a low, it's like only 200 for a ticket. That's so that's bait. That's bait.
That's how they do speedruns, but it's because like
that makes sense.
You
for
can
speedruns.
mega glitch out stuff.
Yeah, but also like the first like 3 or 4 tickets don't increase the sync amount by that much. It seems like. A Satisfactory speedrun seems kind of interesting though. I might look into that.
It's very glitched, so.
Yeah, but it can still be cool. I mean, a glitchless Satisfactory speedrun would take so fucking long.
Forever, yeah.
And this game does have a good amount of, like, not bad or game-breaking glitches, but it does have a good amount of, like, glitches and stuff like that, so I can see that. That's just kind of how what it is going to be like with a big open-world physics sim.
Yeah.
You're so far away.
Are you coming over here?
No, I just looked at the map.
Oh, okay.
Man, I forgot how big the Satisfactory map is.
Yeah, it's a giant.
I'm just like, why can't we have like imagine Satisfactory, but like the same world, but it was a survival sim like Subnautica or something, instead of like a factory sim. This would be like a great world for that kind of layout. I mean, this game is still really fun, don't get me wrong. I don't think it'd be better or worse like that. I just think it's another potential for this map.
Yeah.
It's a really cool world and stuff like that. You're disagreeing with me.
I agree.
You weren't saying anything.
I said yeah.
I didn't hear it.
You get better ears.
What the fuck? Where's our coal power?
I'm actually just routing it back right now. Routing back power lines. there's a somber sloop or whatever it's called.
Hmm.
Well, I went like the most roundabout way to get back to the base. God, I ran out of cable. Okay, will it break the fuse?
Probably.
Seems like it probably will. Let's hope that it actually starts, you know, processing. What have you been up to, sinking?
Yeah.
The remains researched belong to a plant-like organism hosting the larva of the flying crab, the most mature of which hatch when threatened. Hatcher remains can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may reveal options for improving Pioneer safety during exploration.
I gave me the 2-hour warning.
No!
It probably is about time for me to be going to bed soon, but... Where is all the mycelium, or did you process all of it?
I processed all of it.
Okay. We still got a couple things of it.
Okay.
I'm gonna save a
we can process
stack.
that.
I'm sure we can get plenty more, but...
It drops from trees is the big thing.
Oh, okay. Well, can we not handcraft cloth? I guess we can. Or they're just missing it. There we go, fabric. What else do we need? Oh, you need like a legitimate biomass. Okay, that's a bit annoying.
Parachute unlocked. Fix-It appreciates your willingness to descend rapidly to perform your duties, but damaging Fix-It property is a breach of contract and will have unpleasant consequences. Improve descent efficiency by combining the forces of gravity and drag with a parachute. Tool belt expanded. The latest data indicates that the mycelia possess sentience. Don't worry, we have been given permission to harvest and repurpose their remains.
It just said mycelia have consciousness.
Oh, that's uncomfy.
Yeah, they said, oh, you know, the mycelia have consciousness, but we've been given permission to process their remains.
No thank you. Not for me.
I'm putting 50 fabric in the chest because it's cool. And it makes it will research gas masks eventually, which is pretty huge. Oh, awesome sink, oh, awesome sink.
What is it that makes you think?
True. Okay.
Wahawa?
That will probably be it, because I am tired. Maybe... I have the stuff to go and expand the power gen more, but I don't know if I really want to at the moment.
We can leave that for tomorrow if you want.
Oh god. Okay, so yeah, I think that's probably gonna be the end for now. But I'll see y'all next time, and I hope you have a good rest of your night. Bye.
Bye.
How dare you? I'm gonna hit you real quick. Ah! I hit you out of existence.
Yep.
Okay, now shoot
Well
at me.
timed.
Bye.